Grandpa sat under the big banyan tree with his two curious grandkids, Raju and Meena. "Grandpa, tell us a story," they pleaded, eyes wide with excitement. Grandpa smiled and began, "Once there was an old man who carried two pots to fetch water every day. One pot was perfect, but the other had a small crack, leaking water as he walked," Grandpa explained. The cracked pot felt ashamed and said, "Master, I'm useless. I spill water and waste your effort." The old man chuckled and said, "Look behind you when we walk back today." As they returned, the pot saw a trail of beautiful flowers blooming along the path. "You see," the old man said, "I planted seeds on your side of the path. You water them every day." The cracked pot realized its flaw wasn't a weakness. It was its unique strength. Grandpa finished with a twinkle in his eye. "Never feel bad about your flaws," Grandpa said with a smile. "Even cracks can bloom flowers."
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment, share and subscribe.